Hello. I bought a house from 1982 that's full of popcorn ceilings, so acoustic ceilings. It would spray these little, pieces of popcorn in the drywall mud. Anyway, you know what it is, and everybody wants to take it out. So I've been taking it out, and most of the videos out there will tell you that you need to basically bring a garden hose into the house, get it wet, then scrape it down to a smooth coat, then basically retexture the ceiling. And that's great for a professional crew that's got access to a team and drywall hopper, and you can spray on texture. I'm not in that boat, so what I found is that when you dry scrape the popcorn, it's it's less messy, less time consuming, and B, the most important part is when what's left behind, the texture that's left behind is frankly better than any texture I could put on there without a drywall hopper. So I'll show you what we've got here. This is a ceiling, so you can see over here, this is where it's popcorn. I've already scraped this part, trying to get it a little closer to the side. If you hit it with a pole sander, it'll knock it down a little more. I've done a bunch of rooms this way, and it's really, really excellent. Excellent texture. So one problem with the dry scraping is basically the dust. It's really dusty. So I built kind of a DIY for my shop vac, DIY cardboard dust collector. I'll show you how I did it. So the idea is, if you have an attachment like this, I basically, on a piece of cardboard, I kind of marked the outline of it, but make it cut a little bit inside of that outline. And the idea is you slip the attachment into that hole, and it's got something to, this lip will brace against. So when I did that, I just put a piece of big cardboard over it, and I actually made incisions at the corners here. See these corner incisions? And then I put duct tape all around, so I could actually form kind of a cup this way. It's not a huge cup, but it's enough to where the pieces of popcorn that fall on the edge will go into the shop vac. So I'll show you how I do it. It's the scraping part. So that was pretty quick and easy, and see, I've got a nice scraped ceiling now. My hands got a little bit of dust on there, but not much at all, especially the fine stuff. The fine stuff is the worst, and there's hardly any on there. The shop vac picks it right up. What's left on the floor? Not too much. A little bit got on there. I've got a piece of cardboard down to catch most of it, but most of it goes in the shop vac, as you can see here. There you go. Look at all that lovely popcorn down in there. So it's nice. method. It's, I'm not a professional. I'm just a DIYer. So maybe you'll find this method useful if you've got a bunch of popcorn to contend with and want to make a nice ceiling texture. So take care.